Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making a butter pie crust. For your ingredients, we have unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, salt, and you want anywhere from 8 to 10 teaspoons of ice water. You want to pulse the butter and flour and salt in a food processor until the mixture resembles coarse sand with some lumps of butter, no larger than pea size remaining. This will probably take 15 to 20 pulses. You want to feed 1 tablespoon of ice water at a time through the feed tube of the food processor, pulsing 4 to 5 times after each addition. Stop adding water when the mixture begins to form large lumps and pull away from the sides of the food processing bowl. Dump the mixture onto a work surface and push it together into one big lump using your hands. Evenly divide the dough in half. Quickly form the halves into 2 balls and flatten. Place each dough in a plastic baggie or plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least an hour or up to 4 days. Remove the dough from the refrigerator 3 to 4 minutes ahead of time so it is soft and easy to roll. Lightly flour your surface and your rolling pin. Roll out the disc of dough from the center, moving outward, turning it a quarter turn, and repeating until the diameter of the whole crust is about 4 inches larger than your pie pan. If the edges of the crust start to split, pinch them back together before continuing. Once the crust is rolled out, allow it to rest for 5 minutes. Carefully transfer the pie crust to the pan and fix your edges. And process your pie recipe as directed. So we have transferred our pie crust to our pie pan. Now we're just going to mold it into the pie pan. We're going to cut the excessive edges. And I'm going to fluid the edges of my pie crust. Our pie crust is ready. We have made butter pie crust. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.